Hello, my name is Amelia Peddle and I am an analyst in the systematic review team for Petauri Evidence, and I will be talking through one of our posters for ISPOR Europe, Bridging the Gap Between AI Principles and Practice, a comparative evaluation of artificial intelligence position statements and frameworks for responsible use. Systematic literature reviews are a cornerstone of evidence-based medicine and health technology assessment. But with the growing volume of research, keeping up is becoming increasingly difficult. Artificial intelligence offers promising solutions, especially in tasks such as screening and data extraction. However, guidance on how to use these tools responsibly is still evolving. Our research had two main goals. First, to compare AI position statements from HTA bodies and working groups in health, economic, and outcomes research. Secondly, to evaluate how well current frameworks support responsible AI use across the key phases of systematic literature reviews. To do this, we conducted targeted searches of HTA websites and working group publications. We then assessed four major frameworks: Elevate GenAI, Tripod LLM, Phrase, and Chart, using a scoring system looking at their depth, specificity, and applicability overall, as well as their relevance to each phase of the systematic review process. As shown in Table 1 and 2 on the poster, we found that HTA bodies such as NICE and Canada's Drug Agency are leading the way in outlining principles such as transparency, bias mitigation, and human oversight. However, lifecycle monitoring, which is essential for tracking AI performance over time, is often missing. Only a few HTA bodies provide detailed guidance on how AI should be used in each phase of the literature review. Working groups such as Cochrane and ISPOR are actively developing best practices, with frameworks such as Raise and Elevate GenAI offering strong support. Among the frameworks we assessed, Raise stood out for its comprehensive coverage across all review phases, which is shown in the radar plot in Figure 1 on the poster. However, it is clear that a combination of frameworks are essential, as they all outline different strengths. In conclusion, while there's growing momentum around responsible AI use in systematic literature reviews, alignment across organizations is still limited. Stronger collaboration between regulators, researchers, and developers is needed to close these gaps and ensure AI tools are used safely and effectively. We hope our poster helps ISPOR attendees better understand the current landscape and make informed decisions about integrating AI into their own review processes. At Petauri Evidence, we're using these insights to guide our work and support responsible innovation.